abanto abagotu korwase ebunke yabo basi bagendrete kogokera obokonyo babere bakubwatukirwa n'abamanyi korwase ebunge yo asenchireyemo yo kubarenda nabo kuborokia ubwanchani mono kubwatikana n'amakongwari bawetera asabere bakubwatukirwa obokonyi bwendagera amarageti egati yebinde binke
ebyombe aye byanyara ko babigwesokia sincho y'umuroberi yo nigo byanyere ko babiko bakera ekoko abantu abagotwa na sorogongorwa gusina bwigo kuboria serikali n'abantu bali batuko ni kuya banyara ko bagwesokia linde banyara ko bakwena na obokonyi bwa butambe na bwigo ikirania amaganyo ayo nigo hachire litukeli molioka magega yensengima go chengera lituko elia lya bagoto moliki oito Vincent Onyancha nigatwaliganira roboti rwa senchira yobikirana
ime yabo basi County ya Kisii abo nabagatu bale nomogoko kubwatekana no kunyora obokonyi bwebintu ao gati yabo nigo banyorera marangeti naboigo amo nendagira nomunyega osirwa nabamanyi naboigo kubwatera namo nebyombe ao.
Professionals have organized to celebrate our elderly today, and that's the reason we are here today, to celebrate with our elderly. You know, they face a lot of challenges.
Kalengana na baraboni gabagotu abange babanomogoka seritukulia lero kubwatekana no gusiro kubanyora anemono abande konyara gochengera asobokonyo ubanyore kero kirituko chigochengera litukulia bagotu abwankwetalikieyemo omutenyi oikomi.
In the country we have about 3 million elderly persons, and these older persons face a lot of challenges. You know, most people support them. Their youngsters are moved to towns.
Nigo boigo banyora maigeri yabo igoro yobo chanu na boigo chinjere chokwerenda anaboigo nigo banyara komenyigwa igoro yomuroberio oshifa.
And today we are here as administrators to actually take advantage of the gathering that is here, so that we can sensitize members of the public on matters health. And more so, recently we were tasked with the sensitization and registration of SHA.
Gati yabo nigo bale abatakanwa na boigo ababoraka au boigo banyara kogokera ogosiruko.
Mimi nakaa kwangu vibaya sana. Mke wangu aliaga na tena mimi iko na njaa mbaya sana. Lakini sasa mnanisaidia hii ntaenda kukura.
Obokonyi oboni guborokia mogoka sabange oyotarenge nekerengo.
I thank you for what you have given us, such as this blanket. I don't know even this blanket. I wish God may praise you what you have done for us.
Kalengana no robotu serikali nigo iko mwaka w'ekiri 2019 umubaro bw'abantu abagotolenge keronge 3 n'ugutakyenda asemia na umubaro uyu nigo kagerwa kikomentakana kyenda geikomi. Ko reporter ya Ndizi TV riterana nchinkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha.